Hello, hello, hello! Good day and mabuhay! Welcome to our trip. I am Alva May Laroga, your tour guide from JGS Travel and Tour. Here with me, our coach captain, Kuya Hans. Say hi, Kuya Hans! Okay, tourists, you have nothing to worry about because he is a 10 years licensed professional driver and we assure you your safety and security. But before we start, I'd like to thank each and every one of you for being here. We really appreciate you choosing to spend your time with us. Your presence makes this trip even more special. So thank you for joining. My job is simple. Keep you safe, keep you informed, and most importantly, keep you entertained. Kaya relax lang, enjoy, and let's have fun. Before we begin, let's do a quick head count first. Please respond when I call your number. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 29. Alright, as for your safety, I'll be using this whistle. One long blow means gather around me. Two short blow mean we are moving on. Now, to set the mood up, are you ready? I don't think they're ready. I said, are you ready? Nice, that's the energy I want. So hep hep. Hep hep. Perfect. Now, let's start exploring the beauty of Cavite.